All right, so we've got my green VTE2 out. It is not green right now because I had to do a new body. I'm waiting on some paint to come in the next few days. So on the race box, we've got 27 satellites, standalone, start recording. All right, and then on the GNSS, read, zeroed out, track, start. All right, so we are running 12S. This was my beta test car all last year, and so I finally rebuilt it, but had a bit of a failure, so I had to rebuild it again. But guys, that is part of what can happen with this stuff. That feels good. All right, get it down there and turned around. Just trying to make sure it's dialed in and working good. All right. All right, guys. Road is clear. Here we go. All right. So it was a good run, guys. I let out early. You know what, it was a good pass. I did feel something rubbing, so it might have been the tires. I think I may have to adjust that body up front. I think, you know, I've cut so many bodies, but sometimes you still mess up a little bit. So I think it was a little tight to the right front wheel, so with it being clear, I'll be able to see it pretty easily what was rubbing on that run. But it was a good pass, so we'll see what it did. Honestly, I just needed that good, full, clean pass, and I'm happy. So I am happy with that, guys. Whew. All right. So we'll do the GNSS first on here. I still got to try to clean the body, so the spray that I use, fire spray, really makes it hard to clean the clean it off the chassis. All right, guys. So GNSS is picking up. Read. Yes, 206. Wow. So that is a new single motor PB for me. I knew it was doing good at the start because I got into it a little earlier. All right, guys. Heck yeah, I'll take that. That's a new 12S PB and a new just all-time single motor PB for me. Nice. Stop recording, download recording data. That's amazing. I'm so happy. That was not, I mean, I knew it was kind of geared for that, but at the same time, I wasn't coming out here looking for that number. I just wanted to make sure this thing, because I just had to go through this entire car all over again. But yeah, that's awesome, guys. All right. Proceed all his track sessions. They updated those menus a little bit, but hopefully this all, yeah, it still works the same. 206, let's see where we're at. Nice, 206.37. That's amazing, guys. Wow, I'm so freaking happy. Yeah, I'm pumped for that. Awesome. So we got Onyx 8300s in there, running 6S, so you can see the wires, and 6S. Cobra Ace TP5680. I got both the GPSs in there. It's a scorched chassis, and then perfect pass center driveline, 2.6 gearing in the diffs, all stock axles, all stock arms, stock shocks. Yeah, so freaking amazing. 206, guys. That I will take. And it was 5,900 feet on the run. So, and it matches that there, 5,963. Let's see. Very close. So, the runs I usually do, I've got about 200 more feet of actual run space there that I could have gone. So I typically can take my runs up to 6,300 feet total. So split that to 2. Yeah, I got some more room because I definitely let out early. But hey, I will take that all day long, guys. All right, thanks for watching.